Alright, in this video we're going to demonstrate how to turn on the Grok keyboard app on your phone, and then we're also going to search for an asset tag by the RFID code ID, and we're also going to then input a new RFID tag on an asset tag that doesn't have one. So let's turn on the phone here first of all. We'll go to our hamburger here. And right now I do not have, if I touch search, you'll see that I do not have the Grok icon. So I'm just going to back out of there. I'm going to pull down on the screen. I'll touch the gear and I'm going to swipe up. Yours will be slightly different probably if you have a different phone, but I'm going to tap language and input. You see right here I've got a default Samsung. I'm going to actually touch that and I'm going to select Grok keyboard. And now it's got that, so I can back out of here now. I can just get out of here, go back to my, go back to Salesforce 1. There we go. So now I'm going to swipe down. I'll touch that. And I'm going to search for an existing, and there's probably several of them in here because I'm using the same same RFID tag. But anyway, so right here I've got my Grok icon, and I'm just going to touch it, and I get the little broadcast there, and I'm just going to hold it up, and I've got my numbers there. So I'll just touch this. And it's going to return every one of these asset tags that matches this right here. And you'll see something neat about the leading comma here in just a second. So anyway, so that's how you do that. If I touch into one of these records, then you'll see that I've got, it's right there. So I'm going to touch the hamburger. Okay, so now I'm going to move over here to an asset tag that I've selected. It does not have an RFID tag ID, so I'm going to go back over to my phone here, and you'll see that I've got this, where's it at, 111, right here, okay? So I want to attach a new RFID, I'm going to use the same RFID tag, it's just a demonstration here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch this, and I go to the record. You see right here, that's kind of blocked out by the Mobies in here, but it says edit. I'm going to touch edit. And I'm just going to touch right into this asset tag ID. Okay, I'm in there. I'm going to touch this Grok or Grok, whatever it's called. And you see on broadcast, or it's on. I pulled it. You see it's got the comma here, but watch this. I'm going to touch save. And it says that I've saved the record. Now I go back over here and I'm just going to refresh the browser. Voila. It's scanned it, and it's also removed that leading comma. So that's all there is to it as far as doing the on the Grok keyboard app and scanning RFID or even searching for RFID.